To get started with your purchase, download from the order receipt page or as shown here on the Account My Downloads page. First, download the License Manager for either Mac or PC. You only need to do this once for all of your Expert Sleepers purchases. Install this on your computer. Next, download the installer for your version. Copy your license code as shown here. Open the Expert Sleepers License Manager from your Applications folder. Select the desired application, then click to enter your serial number, and then paste in your code.